Is everybody ready to play? Then it's time to get down here at the one, the only. It's time to play Flip Out Frenzy, where this crazy quartet will stake out claims by winning out minigames. Let's take a quick look at those rules.
BB. To win Flip Out Frenzy, you must own the most tiles by the game's end. Each time you win a minigame, you'll pick up a tile. It and all tiles in all 4 directions will flip up to show your mark. Baby, there's also a late game shake-up too.
Now let's go. Blah, blah, blah. So many rules, so little time. You got it. So let's get going.
Wait, got it. Flip. Hey, Flip. Time to help.
Well done, Hat. That did it up. So now let's play Flip. Are you ready? Get ready to say it, everyone.
Flip Out Frenzy!
That's right, everybody. It's time to play Flip Out Frenzy. And just throw our commentators out there. Pop, prom, and ready to go. So what's our first renegade? Spin the wheel. Tayo na, mga kauso. Saan tayo maglalaro? Uy, galing tayo sa squatter dyan. Mabilisan talaga yun.
Pwede mo ka namang mura?
Taki. Uy, kako, hindi ako magpindot yan.
Hey, wrong button!
Taki mo, girls. Lahat kayo mga squatter.
Now let's start the real fight.
Tayo na, mga kauso. Maglalaro tayo. Upo tayo. O ano na? Si Amisha, bilisan mo. O Ana, o Angel, Sandra, Chloe. Uy, Sandra, nasan ka na? O Hyacinth, o Nina, Omega, o Hyacinth, Omega. Saan kayo mga girls? Princess Alia, Charlie Clemson, Dylan Griffin, Minion Collins, Jana Monsilio, Dylan Griffin, or what's your name? J. Amisha, Aya Domingo, A1 kayo, Iwan, Altea Plan. Gusto na Altea Plan? Nasan ka na? Yan, doon ako, Shane Samor, Sonia Mejia. Tapos! Yan, manalo ako, mabuisit kayo. And the winner is Rafi! Flip your tiles, Rafi. Pick your starting point and take over territory.
No, please skip me. Not those darn spots. Open tiles only, okay?
I know what to do, baby Jairu. And here it is. Now let's move on to the next game. Spin the wheel. Hi, madali lang to. Ibagsak na. Hi, madali lang to. Ibagsak na namin si President 30 ng kwenta dito sa laro na to. Wahahaha! Good luck if you can beat me. Tapos! Yaha! I'm the winner!
Yay! Let's make the tiles move!
Okay, everybody! And the winner is Rafi! Flip your tiles, Rafi! Pick your starting point and take over territory.
Don't forget, you can't choose the tiles have already been flipped.
Well, I'm gonna try this one. There you go, I'll save. Now let's move on to the next game. Spin the wheel! And the winner is Rafi! You know what to do. Wow! Rafi's on fire! With a huge lead like that, the others are in big trouble. Good luck catching up, everyone. Next game, everybody. Spin the wheel! Ah, that's so easy. Baby love art. Well, you're gonna see my true masterpiece. Here it is. Tayo na, anong balak namin? Mga iwan. Bilis mo, no? Tayo mo. Lahat kayo magbagal kayo sa ventura. Wala kayong alam. Tayo mo.
No, that is not art. That is just making a mess. That you lose, Rafi.
I don't care because I'm the winner, yo. Ito na, mga kapuso. Yan! Next game, everybody. Oh, grabe naman. Konti na lang. Favorite. Ay, mabilis lang yun. Mag-try na tayo.
BB. Car racing. Baby, I'm gonna win.
Just watch and see, yo. Tulakin ko na kayo, mga bobo kayo. Huwag ka magtumawid dito, mga bobo kayo. Mabilis talaga ako magtumawid. O, Jay, nasan ka na? Huwag ka magpunta dito, mga bobo kayo. Mga kao, mga ever, mga time talo, mga puta na taka kayo. O, ikaw, bilisan nyo. Pagalan mo, mga bobo kayo. Pagkaan mo, wala kayong tulog wala sa akin, mga bobo kayo. Yes! Panalo na ako sa layer na to. And the winner is Rafi! Tayo na! Dito na lang, Ever. Wow! Rafi's on fire!
Yeah, I know.
Last game na tayo, mga bobo kayo. Bilisan na namin para manalo na tayo. Mga bobo, mga ewan, mga gago. Hoy! Yun na naman tayo.
Hey, prepare to lose, Rafi.
Whatever. Prepare to get ready for nothing or what. Hoy, galing ha! Galing na! Huy! Altado! Malapit na ako manalo! Buti nga may manalo ng isang tao dyan! 10 puntos na lang! Si Aya, grabe naman! O si Zara, si Violet, o si Antoinette, hanip! Kung sa tingin namin kanina, si Patrick talaga yung panalo, at kami yung mga babae na sa loob.
Ngayon naman, si Kanata talaga yung panalo. Hanip. Konti lang. Huh? So few? That's too bad. I'd hope that you would be able to steal away more tiles. Stop flipping. We're out of tiles. The frenzy over. Not quite yet, Hat. Let's smash this competition into overtime. Tara na, i-smash na namin. Mga popo kayo. Diyan! Yan! Whoop-a-dee-doo! This flip out frenzy is still on! We got some tiles open! Hey, Nuggets and Underdogs! This is your big chance! It won't happen again! Yeah, Mario, trust me! We're gonna beat you this time! And we're gonna paint every tile other colored more than your stupid blue! Snowboarding? That'll leave me more chunks than you think, hey? Right now, magduro na tayo. Yan! Uy, gago! Lahat kayo mabilis! Magkano mo, katana! Yan! Uy, si Therese! Ang bilis naman talaga si Therese! O, gago! Si Chatty nabangga sa suman! Hanip! Gago! Ow! Grabe naman kayo! Wala kayong tiwala sa akin, mga po. Yo, Edward! I should not collide, so I can win first place. Oy, gago! No, no, no! Gago! May panalo na! I swear! Who's first? Yeah, that's right! I'm the winner! And I pushed Rappy and his squad. He lost! Yay! Come on, everybody. Let's get this party started. What the heck is Reese My Titanis gonna do now? Ano ba yung balak niya? Hanip! Ouch! Rappy just lost a lot of tiles. What a robbery! Hang in there, Rap. Don't completely flip out, just partially. Don't worry, because I can still win the last one. One more game to do it. This is the last one, everybody. Spin the wheel! Oh, great. Now what? With all the corruption, there's no way I'm going to win this one. Good luck, people. Yeah, wait till he bump you again so you can lose. No way, Nancy McDonnie. Yeah, I want to win too. Tara na, mga squatter kayo, mga bobo, mga kako, mga MOy, tantado, magbangga na naman tayo, mga puta ka na kayo. Tantado, bulis ka na dyan, tantado ka. Lahat kayo mga iwan, mga bobo, kako. Sino mga una dyan, lahat kayo, magtitiwala ka sa Diyos. Wala kayong tula sa akin, mga bobo kayo. Uy, kako, natimaan ako sa bato. Hane, huwag kayong manalo, mga bobo kayo. Yaha! I'm the winner! Now what time is it, baby Gyro? It's time to color everything blue. Yan! Go ahead and select that last tile. Now let's tally up the tiles. Yes! Yes! Got that one! And now we know who won! Rappy wins the Flip Out Frenzy! Yay! Congratulations, Rappy! You did it! Oo, sinabi ko sa'yo, matanalo na ako. Lahat kayo matatalo. Pero at least naman, astig naman. Kasi nga kanina, ang panalo dito sa Mario Matrix ay si Aya Domingo, o si Francine, o si Clet, o si Claire, o si Winces, o si Brianna,
o si Chakia. Ano yun? Pero, lahat yung mga tiles niya ay nawala. So therefore, dahil ang ginawa ko. Pero nung dumating talaga si Kailin Alcantara sa pagnanalo, o si Daisy Gonzalez, o si Nancy Magdani, o si Bianca Omare, o si na Jada, or Elijah Alejo, or Sheena, o si Shuba Trata, o si Vanessa Peña, or Kate Valdez, or Lauren King. That's right! I've caused so much havoc in Rafi when we played a snowboarding game. I hope this will happen again. We push each other, and then I will win. Come on, everybody. I'm so sorry for that JM, or that JC, or that Luke, or that Lucas. Baby, lose. This is unfair. Oh no, but that's okay. I think we still have a shot, right? Definitely! You're gonna play with me now at the Tic-Tac Drop. Who wants to watch? Then come on down. How about us? Let's fight too. Okay, fine. Whoever gets the most number of votes will be playing Tic-Tac Drop with me. But I think it's gonna be Luigi. Yeah. But anyway, that's the end of this video, guys. For all the Marios and the Luigis and Peach and Daisies. Yeah, if you want to see one more video like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!